Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm teaching you how to make tostado. This is a traditional Ecuadorian dish made of corn. It's extremely easy to do and basically it will take you just 10 minutes. The next thing that we're doing is putting oil in a pot and warming this up. The right temperature is a medium temperature, and the way to verify if the oil is hot enough is just dropping one seed of corn in the oil, and if this starts bubbling a little bit, that means that it's hot enough and you can proceed putting the rest of the corn. Now put the lid on. This is really important because the seeds will start popping like crazy, so obviously you don't want to get burned. After 4 minutes, and with the help of this wooden spoon, start moving the seeds a little bit, but always with the lid on, and kind of this will be your shield. Now let it sit, and after 2 or 3 minutes, always double check the color. When you notice that this is changing, becoming a little more goldy, is the right time to put garlic or onion, whichever you prefer, or both. And once again, let it sit. Double check that the color is turning more brown with every minute. When you notice that the color is really gold brownish, that is the right color. The easy way to try it, if this is done, is just eating one seed, and if you feel that it's really crunchy and soft, that is the right time to take it out. Here you can see the difference between the colors. The one that I have in my hand is the raw one, and obviously the rest is the one that we just prepared. Now you can put a little bit of salt and let it cool down a little bit, and that's it. This dish is so delicious. We usually put it in soups, or most of the time we just put it with a little bit of cheese on the side and eat it as a snack. And this is the video for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, rate and like. See you soon. Bye!